Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I was able to borrow this CF Moto, the MT650, because my Nuda is getting the taillight fix. It looks pretty modern, not the best looking bike, but for that they have other bikes. This would be a good daily driver. I only drove it yesterday back from the shop to home. It was a easy drive. This bike is not difficult. It has two modes, sport and touring. I was riding on touring because I wasn't feeling like getting too sporty with the new bike directly, and it was fine. Like, of course, less power than the Nuda, less responsive, more chill. Maybe that's also because I was in the touring mode, but I will try the sporting mode later. Lower seating height than the Nuda, but overall fine. I really like the windscreen for the cold weather now. It's nice. One thing that bothered me right off the bat was I could hear the dashboard trembling. So not that good of quality, or maybe they didn't fix it right. Something is wrong with it. And it was really loud. Like, it was probably almost louder when I was standing still than the engine itself. So you could really hear it trembling, which annoyed me. But yeah, I'll go for a ride, take you with me, go to the shop and pick up my Nuda. And then afterwards, I was planning on passing by Subway, so we make a nice small trip. Okay, see you soon. Wait, here you can hear how it trembles. You hear this? And if I hold it, it's less. So yeah, it's a bit sad, but we'll make it still. I kind of feel like this bike makes you ride like slow. Because it has like the way the steering feels, the shifting is like really smooth, easy. There's no like, with the Nuda, like when I shift, I have to really pull up my foot or put it down and really pull the brake and pull the clutch. Like, it's all like pretty tight. And this one, everything is a bit more chillaxed, easy going. For a daily driver, that's like what you want, I would say. I would never drive the Nuda daily to work. First of all, I make too many kilometers on it, which I don't want. And it's just not nice. If it rains, my whole back will be wet. I don't think I would buy a CF Moto. There are other brands that interest me more. For example, I would find the Yamaha Tenere 700, or is it 770? You know, the Tenere. I would find that very interesting. Or I don't want the GS because everyone has that, so that's boring. Maybe the H2n Zoom 901. That would be interesting as a daily driver. I'm sure there's another one I would like. Yeah, but it's expensive. Like the MV Agusta, the Lucky Explorer would be sick, or maybe the Desert X from Ducati. But those are really expensive. Some illegal shit, because we are biker. I'm gonna get some fuel. Because they asked me to top it off before I drop it back. They will pay the difference, because I got it for free. I was able to borrow the bike for free. Okay, I think this is good. That is done. Everything closed. Ready. Yeah, there definitely is a sporty side to this bike. If you want it, if just open it and ride sporty, and then you can have that too. But it's nothing compared to the Nuda, of course. Oh yeah, and the engine in this bike, I don't know if I already said, but it's a KTM engine. So for those that don't like KTM, then you know. Shouldn't get this bike. Ooh, that would be a good daily driver too, actually. Change the mirrors and then it's pretty dope. Dag Gert. Dag Dave. Yo. Ah, look, I was talking about the Tenere. There you have it. It's pretty dope, right? If you custom it a bit, do some other colors, can be sick. Okay. Yeah, this bike is definitely sitting higher. Ah, should I get these mirrors, guys? They're pretty sick. Expensive though. They're long. I thought they were much shorter, but they're pretty long. I don't know if it would look good on the Nuda. I like these pretty much. Oh, it's so different to ride. I'm already used to the CF Moto. It's insane to get used to this bike again. Power engine. This is just perfect. I'm able to compare them straight away. So the suspension on the Nuda is much more robust. The CF Moto has a really like wiggly, cruisy type of suspension, even in the sports mode. Compared to this is really sporty. The shifts are more robust, more cranky, like less comfortable, but that's not why I ride the Nuda. I don't ride the Nuda for comfort. I ride the Nuda for looks, power, sound, feels. Okay guys, this is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.